Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss some general knowledge on human blood. Etu my channel second video hoy. Moi agote eta video upload korisu general knowledge on agriculture. Jodi apnalike ei video to swa nai, then please sabo aru my channel to subscribe koribo. Okay, now let's start. Prothom proshno to hoise, what is the average volume of blood in a human body? Option 10 liters, 5 liters, 8 liters, 2 liters. And the right answer is option B, 5 liters. As an adult human being or average 5 liters of blood thake. Okay. Next question. How many types of blood groups are there? Option 1, 2, 3, 4. And the right answer is option D, 4. There are 4 types of blood group. Kiki hoy blood group board? Blood group A, B, AB and O. Next. Blood is made up of. Blood of kiki thake? Red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, all of the above. Among human blood, red blood cells thake, white blood cells thake, and plasma thake. So the right answer is answer B, all of the above. Next question. Human blood is mostly composed of. Human blood basically ki thake? Red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, platelets. And the right answer is option C, plasma. Plasma ki hoy? Plasma blood or junto liquid part hoy, etue hoy plasma. Our platelets hoise cells hoy junbur plasma thake. Okay, jodi question to hoy je human blood ki cells thake. Okay, tare answer hobo red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Okay, so but human blood is mostly composed of a question answer hoise plasma. Next question, which part of the blood is responsible for clotting and stop bleeding? Options: red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma and platelets. And the right answer is option B, platelets. Okay, jodi amar body kiba kati jay, okay, suppose amar hat khon katile tete ki hoy bleeding hoy. Okay, so bleeding hor alop pisote automatic bleeding to stop hoy jay. Keneke stop hoy karon blood to clotting hoy. Okay, aru ei clotting to kone kore? Clotting to kore platelets. Okay, next question, erythrocyte is another name for. Erythrocyte kak koa hoy? Red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma. And the right answer is option A, red blood cells. Okay, ketiba amar blood test report erythrocyte count likha thake. So erythrocyte count mane hoise kiman red blood cells ase. Next question, what is another name of white blood cells? White blood cells kak koy? Erythrocytes, leukocytes, plasmocytes. And the right answer is option B, leukocytes. Next question, grouping of blood is based on. So blood bor je group different groups ase jeneke blood group A, B, AB and O. A grouping to kihor upor base kori kore? Option RH factor, antigen, antibody, oxygen. The right answer is option B, antigen, antibody. Human blood dui dhoroner antigen ase, antigen A aru antigen B. Aru antibody to hoday antigen or opposite to hoy. For example, ami jodi blood group A consider koro, teta blood group A antigen thakibo antigen A aru antibody thakibo antibody B. Aru jodi blood group B hoy tetia ki hobo antigen B aru antibody A. Antigen aru antibody hoday belek hobo lagibo. Antigen jodi A hoy tetia antibody B hobo lagibo hoday opposite. Antigen aru antibody hoday eki hobo nore. Eki hole ki hobo blood to destroy hoy jabo. Okay, next question, which type of blood is the universal recipient? Recipient kak koy? Jone blood to receive kore. Aru universal recipient hoise jone sob blood group or porai blood to receive koribo pare. Okay, option blood group O, blood group A, blood group AB, blood group B. And the answer is option C, blood group AB. Okay, blood group AB sob blood group or porai blood receive koribo pare. Next, which type of blood is the universal donor? Donor kun hoy jone blood to donate koribo pare. Our universal donor kun hoy blood group O, blood group A, blood group AB and blood group B. Option is answer is option A, blood group O. Blood group O is the universal donor. Next question, what is the function of white blood cells? White blood cells are function ki hoy? To carry oxygen, to fight diseases, to help in clotting of blood. And the right answer is option B, to fight diseases. To carry oxygen hoy, function kar hoy? Red blood cells or function is to carry oxygen. And to help in clotting of blood, etu kar function hoy? Ami matro pori thosilo, etu function is platelets. Okay. Next question, the color of blood is red because blood to cure red color hoy? Because of waste products in the blood, because of proteins in the bone marrow, because it contains hemoglobin. And the right answer is option C, because it contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin থাকে red blood cells. Okay, আৰু যেতিয়া আমাৰ ব্লাডত হেমোগ্লোবিনৰ পাৰ্চেন্টেজটো কমি যায় তেতিয়া এই কন্ডিশনটো কোৱা হয় anemia. Okay, next question, what type of blood has antigen A? Antigen A কোনটো ব্লাড গ্ৰুপৰ থাকে? ব্লাড গ্ৰুপ B, ব্লাড গ্ৰুপ AB, ব্লাড গ্ৰুপ A, blood group A and AB. So blood group B to antigen A থাকিবই নোৱাৰে, blood group A B antigen থাকিব antigen B. আৰু blood group AB কি কি antigen থাকিব? Antigen A থাকিব আৰু antigen B থাকিব. আৰু blood group A antigen থাকিব antigen A. So AB and A এই দুটা blood groupত antigen A থাকিব. So the right answer is blood group A and AB. Okay. Next question, which blood type lacks antigen? Kuntu blood or kono antigen nathake. Option, blood group O, blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB. And the right answer is option A, blood group O. Okay, blood group O kono antigen nathake, heikane ei blood to soboke donate koribo pari. So blood group. Okay. Next, which of the following cells carry oxygen to the cells of a body? White blood cells, red blood cells, platelets. And the right answer is option B, red blood cells. Red blood cells are hemoglobin thake aru jar dara body oxygen to mane carry kore. Okay. Next question, if a person has blood group A positive, what is he positive for? Suppose is a manhor blood group A positive. Manhor A positive blood group thake, B positive, A negative. Okay. A positive to ki bujay? Hepatitis virus, Rh factor, donor status. And the right answer is option B, Rh factor. Rh factor to eta bloodot thaka eta protein hoy aru jodi bloodot he protein to ase tente hole positive hoy aru jodi bloodot he protein to nai tetia blood group to negative hoy. Suppose ejon manhor blood group hise A. Okay, aru he manujonor jodi A Rh factor protein to present ase bloodot tetia he manujon A positive hobo. Aru jodi A factor to protein to nai, suppose Rh factor is absent, তেতিয়া মানুহজন হ'ব A negative. এটো সব ব্লাড গ্ৰুপৰ লগতে ব্লাড গ্ৰুপৰ লগতে এটো এপ্লিকেবল. Next, which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Okay, blood clottingৰ কাৰণে কোনটো ভিটামিন লাগে? Vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, none of the above. And the right answer is vitamin C. Oh sorry, option C, vitamin K. Okay, vitamin K blood clotting ot help kore, hekane blood vitamin A K jodi deficiency hoy tetia manujonor blood clotting to iman honkale nohoy. Okay. Next, abnormal production of white blood cells is called leukemia, hemophilia, polycythemia, jaundice. Okay, jetia white blood cells khub beshi body production hoy tetia ki koy ei condition to koa hoy leukemia. Leukemia is also known as blood cancer. Next question, type A blood can receive blood from, type A blood jar ase he blood kar par receive koribo pare? Blood group O and AB, blood group A and O, blood group B and AB, and blood group A and AB. And the right answer is option B, blood group A and O. Blood group A aru blood group O, karon O to universal donor hoy aru blood group A to A antigen thake hekarne okol A ke blood dibo paribo. Okay. Next question, who discovered ABO blood group system? Ami jeman blood group or before punilu etia etu blood group system to kune discover korisile? Carl Landsteiner, Anton von Leonov, Robert Hooke, Carl Bussey. And the right answer is option A, Carl Landsteiner. 1900 Carl Landsteiner ABO blood group to discover korisile. Okay, so this much for today. Jodi apnalokor video to sai bhal lagise, jodi bhabise video to helpful hoy, then please my video to like koribo or share koribo, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.